student. This video is for class 11 computer science student. In the topic data representation, we have already seen 4 number system. Now we have to see the conversion of this number system. Okay, so firstly we are going to see conversion of any decimal number into binary number system. So we'll take one example, 75, one decimal number, the base is 10. We have to convert it into any binary number system, that is to the base 2. So for that, what we have to do, for conversion to a decimal number, that is higher base, that is 10 to 2, we have to convert into a smaller number, base 2. So we will divide by the base of the number, that is 2, in which we want to convert. So we have to divide this 75, make this type of column, mention here remainder column. You have to divide this 75 by base 2. Again I am recalling that if you want to convert a decimal number to binary number, you have to divide the number decimal number by the base 2 of binary number system. Now and mention the remainder here. So we will divide this 75 by 2. Firstly we will take 7, so 2 3s are 6, 1 is left, 15 it will become, then 2 7s are 14, 1 is left, so we'll write remainder here. Again divide this 37 by 2, so you will get 18. Now 1 is still left, or mention here. Now this 18 again you divide by 2, so 2 9s are 18, nothing is left, so mention remainder 0. Again divide this 9 by 2, 2 4s are 8, again the remainder is 1. Now again we will divide 2 2s are 4, so completely divisible, so remainder will be 0. 2 1s are 2, completely divisible, remainder 0. Now here now 1 is left, don't stop here, you have to divide this number until it becomes 0, completely vanish. So again 2 0 times now, then the remainder will be 1. Now we are getting here 0, that is number is completely vanished, so you have to divide up to here. Now the most important step is that if you have got all the remainder, you have to write all this remainder from bottom to top. Understood? You have to write all the remainder from bottom to top. Now we will get 1 0 0 1 0 1 1. So now this is the binary representation of this number 75. We have written all the remainder from bottom to top. I hope you have understood this conversion of decimal number into a binary number system. Now we will see the reverse method. We will convert this number 1001011 to again back to decimal number, that is we will get 75. So it will be a check also. Now so our question is to convert 1001011 binary number into decimal number. Now for this, the method is that we have to multiply. We have to multiply these digits of binary number by again 2 number. But now the power of the number will be different. So how to calculate the power? For that I am telling you the rule that for this number you have to calculate power. So count from rightmost digit to the leftmost digit. Count from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have calculated the maximum power, that is 6. Firstly, for calculating maximum power, again I am telling, count from right hand side to left hand side. 0 and start from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is maximum power is 6. So multiply now this number we have note down this number again. We will multiply this number, that is 1, with 2 to the power 6 maximum power, then plus all the values. 0 next digit with 2 to the power 1 less, that is 5. Then next digit will be 1 more less, 2 to the power 4. Next digit with 2 to the power 1 more less, that is 3. Then next number 0 with 2 to the power 2 in this manner. Next number with 2 to the power 1, and next number with 2 to the power 0. Now I think it's clear that multiply the same number. See, 1 0 0 1 0 1 1. This was our number, and we have multiplied with the highest power 2 to the power 6, then 2 to the power 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Now just calculate this total value. 2 to the power 6, that is 64, multiply by 1, 64. Now whatever it will be, 2 to the power 5 is 32, but multiply by 0, it will become 0. Same here, it will become 0. Here 2 to the power 3, that is 8, multiply by 1. Again here it will become 0. Here 2 to the power 1, that is 2, we will get 2. Now 2 to the power 0, anything to the power 0 is 1. 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. Now I add all these 4 numbers. So 64 plus 8, that is 72, plus 72 plus 2, 74, and 1, 75. So now again we have got this number, that our answer is also correct, that this number is equivalent to 75 in decimal. So this was the reverse method to convert any binary number to decimal. So in this video we have seen the two methods to convert decimal number to binary, and again binary number to decimal. I hope you have understood. Thank you.